back to my channel. Today I am finishing off the bullet journaling series with a planning thing, but it's not necessarily a bullet journaling thing. I just wanted to throw it in this series because when I found this on Amazon like 6 or 7 months ago, I wasn't sure if it would work, but it's such a simple solution and it works amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys our super simple family planning slash chore chart kind of thing. I've done chore charts for years and I've made them super overcomplicated. I've made them not work, but this seems to work. And then the fact that it's super transitionable. This was us transitioning from our old house to our new house. Since our new house is much bigger, I needed to redo all of the chores and make sure that everything else in the house would get clean. Because if we were just doing the chores that we were doing in our old house, then only half of this house would get clean. So I will walk you guys through what our chores look like for the week and what our family does. And then I'd love to know what your family does in the comments below so that I can get an idea if there's anything that I want to add or change, or maybe we're doing something wrong. But I got this really easy kit on Amazon. It comes with chalk pens, but I did not like the chalk pens. I use the, I think they're by Marvy chalkboard pens. You can get them at Hobby Lobby or on Amazon. So I've added in my family board on Amazon our chore chart. It comes together. It's a calendar and a chore chart and the pens, and then other things that we use as well are in that board. So you can check that in the description below. All right, let's get going. Super simple. I'm just gonna walk you through what we do. Alrighty, so this set comes with a monthly and a chore chart. The monthly, I do try to label it every month, but if your family likes to use a calendar for everybody to see it, this is a really good one. I love that it's black and I love that it's super shiny so that all the dry erase markers slash chalk pens work really good on it. But for my family, we actually use Google Calendar to really plan our month. So if you guys want to see my Google Calendar, let me know. But I do fill this out just in case the kids want to be in the loop, because even though they use Google Calendar too on their like school calendar, they can see this, and then I can also really title it and stuff. So I'll label things like anything that they need to be in the know that we're doing. But for our actual calendar, Dustin and I like to be in the know on everything. Okay, so this is the kicker right here, this guy. So basically you can label it whatever you want, and there are 7 sections with like check marks, and then there's a big section with lines, which I really like because I can do this in zones or lots of different things. So basically I'm going to make a key at the bottom, and each color is going to be a different person in the family. So I'm pink, Dustin's orange, you get the point. So then I'm gonna label Monday through Friday. I love that there are 7 of the days because that's perfect. And then I'm going to label laundry because we do laundry every single day. And then I'm going to give each person a color. We all get our own laundry day. And then on Fridays we wash blankets, and on Mondays we wash towels. And then I'm going to figure out meals and where we're going to do everybody. Then I split up the bigger chores like the front yard, the backyard, taking out the garbages, doing the windows all throughout the week. And then I plan accordingly. I can switch up people if I want to, but basically if somebody has laundry that day, I will make the other chore for the other kid, and then Dustin and I will fill in the gaps. Another thing that we have to do every single day is unload the dishwasher. So I make sure that's on every single day. And then I just look at the chores after they're all done and figure out who's doing the least, and they're on unload. So I like to fill in all those stars and then really pick out who's going to be unloading the dishwasher. And then in the large box at the bottom, I will put everybody's chores, which is something we're accountable for every single day, not just for one day or not. And then I also add in when we have date night and when we eat out. So everybody needs to pick up the house from 8 o'clock to 8:15, and then we have to load our dishes always. Then I'll look over and see if there's anything else I missed and just make sure. And then if their schedule gets balanced, I will change it up a bit. And that's it.